Powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission, this vehicle is well equipped. This Ford features power windows, keyless entry, and alloy wheels. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and four-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power steering, air conditioning, and a CD player with MP3. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Hey folks, thanks for checking out this vehicle. For more information, lc4.com. Thanks again.